some units here. Weather King and Lennox, as soon as this focuses. There we go. Here's this Weather King. I honestly thought there was more units here, like a Pain Teardrop or something. But I must have been... Oh! I know where that was. Okay. I was one place off, and I see, actually, over there, the Pain Teardrop. So, I'll just start with these units, and then film around some more. 2003, 4-ton. Straight coil unit with a Bristol compressor. Here's a newer Merit. Right, here's 2 air conditioners at a place. I think it's a FedEx office. But yeah. No idea what this is. Concept? What? Never heard of that. Yeah, it says Concept High Efficiency Air Conditioning. I'm so scared that one of these is going to turn on because it's pretty warm out here. Oh gosh. 1994 or 1984. Or it goes 8494E17894. How old is that? It is a... no idea. Which is straight cool. Oh, I thought that was ice for a minute, just insulation. 5-ton from 2018. So there's those 2. Around the corner there is a ream. And then I'll go to the place with the Pain Teardrop. That's the place I originally wanted to go. I thought it was at this place, but it was at the next place over. But yeah. There's a lady in that car right there. So I'm risking it, but here's a Root Achiever. (2005) 3-ton. Okay. And right over there are some units that I've already filmed, which was an older video. So yeah. I'm gonna go over there now. Although it is getting colder and nothing's gonna be running, I'm gonna try to get out and film HVAC units more. Well, I guess my mom's gonna follow me in her car. Here we go. I remember this place. I thought these units were back there, but I guess not. I believe this is the place with that Concept 1000. Here's the Pain. I remember this unit here. Pain Teardrop. Actually, that doesn't say Pain. I'm not sure what that is, but this is a Pain Teardrop unit. It's got a scroll compressor, probably Copeland. And this is a straight cool unit, but it's got a suction accumulator. 1995 4-ton. Here's a newer Carrier Comfort. Straight cool. Scroll compressor. LG 2018 4-ton. And up there is a package unit on a weird pole. Interesting. Another old Pain Teardrop. Straight cool, but with an accumulator. 1994 4-ton. Not sure what the other one said on the top of it, but it is a Pain Teardrop unit. Here is this weird package unit up on this pole here. I remember seeing this last time. Big ream. Copeland scroll. (2016) 3-ton. Seriously, this is huge. Oh no, 5-ton. It's a 5-ton. Here's an older Lennox value. Lennox. Let's see here. I honestly can't see down in there. What the heck? What in the world? Oh, I see. It's got a compressor blanket. But it's from 1995. And it is 2.75 ton or something. One more newer carrier. The logo's coming off. Copeland. Actually, I'm not sure. Nope, LG compressor. (2016) 5-ton. Alright, I'm just gonna go over here. Because I thought I heard something running. Ooh. Nope, nothing running. Alright. There's units over there. I'll go there another time. But I do have a video of those, but I never uploaded the video, so I'll mark that on my list of units that I still need to film. But sorry, I can't do these today. These are all straight coals. I could have sworn these were heat pumps, though. I don't know. But yeah. Oh, I know what this said. It just said high efficiency. All right. But yes, this is a pane teardrop unit. So if I do find any more units, I'll start a video again. But for now, I'm out.